So guys, you will be completely surprised when I tell you that this project is created using one single prompt. And yes, this is the reality of today. So let me show you the functionality first of this application. This is a really nice and clean application, and here you can browse the deals. You can see the deal page, all the relevant coupons, auto applied and coupons and all. Links and coupons, everything works really nice. You have how to apply section, which is very relevant to whatever the brand project it is, and then you have auto applied deals instructions, some pro tips, and about the product details, and some nice FAQs. So this is really nice application. You can even save anything to your wish list. You can see your wish list, you can delete from your wish list any item. You go to the home page, you can browse by the category. Okay, so you can wish list again, and you can see your wish list anytime, and you can even go your admin dashboard. Here you can manage your brands. Click on any brand, set it slug, logo, category, description, website URL, email, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or whatever information you need, and then update. And this way you can add as many brands as you want. Then you can add coupons. First up, you will need to create some categories, right, based on the architecture that we currently have. Then you will add some brands, and then you will go ahead and create some new coupons posts. So these are the essentials, essentially the main component, the coupons. And then you will add new coupon. You will choose the brand for which you are creating the coupons, set a title like this, and then a short description, whether you want to show the feature it on your home page, this coupon page, or whether you want to show how to apply section. So how to apply section is all automatic. It will generate all the content based on the data over here in this post, so you will not need to set anything. And then you have article content. It will support markdown, so you can generate using AI and then paste it out here. It will automatically show you the right formatting. You can also preview it when you have added it. And then you have some coupons items and FAQs, then you can save it. So let me quickly show you the one that is already done. This is for the question, and you can see the markdown over here. Then you can preview it like this, right? Then you have coupon items. You can add more coupons. You can set it as percentage or auto applied, FAQs and all of these things, and then you can save. So this is made using Emergent, as you can see over here. So this application is created using one single prompt, and it is really exciting. Let me show you. So this was the magic of one prompt on Emergent, right? I just gave some further instructions to Emergent, but it did all the job, major job, in one single prompt. Okay, that prompt was not like more than 400 words. It was a really nice prompt that I generated using Gemini. Okay, so you can create a prompt using Gemini or any other LLM for that matter. You just give your idea like what you want, and it will generate a perfect prompt for your thing. And you can also join our masterclass. You can join our Facebook groups and Telegram groups if you want to know more about that. You can also check out our application in the link that is already given in the description, and you will find out more information about how you can create perfect prompts for whatever need you have. And yeah, this is really exciting. I also compared bolt.new, and it also did the magic, and the UI is really clean on Bolt, and you can see the deal page like this, right? So the same prompt was also given to Bolt, and it did this job. You don't have multiple options with this, but yeah, it really still did something best out of the best. You can update your brand details, coupon posts. There are no category options, of course, in this one, and some other options like hello bar or something, but you have option to include hello bar in where it is on the coupon post itself. This here you can set the free trial text, and it will show as a bar on the post. So similar functionalities are also here. The preview split for the markdown, right, and coupons to add FAQs, and yeah, you can update the post finally. So both did a really similar job and did the best out of the best. On the Emergent, you can also specify, like it is using Python, I guess, but yeah, you can specify whatever the technology you want to use and whatever the UI you want to use, whether you want a minimal UI, you want professional UI, you like modern UI, gradient UI. There are a lot of things you can tell it. So better to go to Dribble, Behance, and develop your understanding about the UI UX, so that you can write in your prompt what you want, whether it is border shadow, border radius, shadow, drop shadow, everything. I think if you are if you are aware of CSS and its properties, then it becomes really easy for you to guide or command to the Emergent or any other platform like Replit, Lovable, Bolt, what you want, because it understands, but you will have to know the terminologies to use, because if you don't know much about that, it becomes really hard for you to make atoms understand what you need. So develop your understanding, and the rest will be handled by these new era applications that are doing some wonderful work this year. And next year is also going to be really marvelous, with more and more new LMs models coming in, like Opus 4.5 is really doing good, and with Google 3 you are also seeing a lot of things coming in, and the Google anti-gravity is also making new shapes. So the time is really in your favor, and if you are new into this business, you can definitely enjoy creating stuff without having a headache to understanding a lot of code, how it works and all. It will do all the stuff for you. So getting back to Emergent, the best things about it is that you can start using it as low as like 1,600 rupees, and it is the standard plan that you will get, and you can easily save your project to the GitHub, and you can probably publish it to Vercel or something. You can set them some triggers, and then it will auto publish to your Vercel account. So yeah, you can easily deploy your stuff that you're making. And with free plan, you don't have this option. You are getting like 10 free credits only, but yeah, you can create something exciting, but you will definitely need a plan for some better enhancements, for better functionalities and abilities, of course. So there are three paid plans you can go with, but if you upgrade, you are also getting 50% off out of this. Like if you upgrade to standard, it is like 800 rupees as of now. You will find a discount and checkout. It will automatically be deducted 50% because of the Google's AI Futures Fund they have got recently. So it is a really nice time for you if you are looking to enjoy. Even a testing will can give you idea about whether these applications can be really useful for you or not. And coming back to more things, you can also export all the stuff. You will have everything in your account. Your recent tasks will all be saved. So let me show you what other things I have created with Emergent. Let me wake up the agent. Let me go to this one and also show you this one that I had created. Let me wake the agent. So see this one, I have created this tool where you can upload the image, and it will understand the logics, and it will analyze the image. Basically it is because I am using Gemini or something, and Gemini is vision enabled AI model, so it understands the image and gives you the prompt so that you can regenerate the similar image using AI. So this is a tool that I created using it. I had given like a really simple prompt to it, like I need this kind of application. So it is a really nice and cute simple prompt, and it understood what I needed, and then it gave me this application. And this is another example. Let me show you this way. In fact, open a new tab would work better. Okay, so you can see that I just gave it a prompt that I needed a website or landing page for my course mastery website or something. I give it the information like who I am and what I do, what I am selling through this journey, or what are my key selling points, and it did all the job for me, and it understood what I needed and created all these nice visually appealing sections and UI, some nice elements. They are really nice, hovering on them will give you really nice effect for of course, and icons, everything, popping up and changing some positions with some animations, transitions and all. So yeah, you can see the border is changing. It is a really nice animation, so it takes time if you are doing it manually, of course. So Emergent did this in a very short time, and you can see how nice these sections are with all the data inside them. Everything is is scraped through the websites that I gave to it for reference, for taking some information, because it needs data for your landing pages, like what it will use, what data it will use. So I gave all the data to it, and then it created all these nice sections. You can see you can also use webhooks if you want to take out the data from your forms. You can use HubSpot, you can use Go High Level, you can use Odo, you can use any other CRM for this matter, like ClickFunnels and all, and you can easily use Emergent or any other platform to create your landing pages and do the stuff. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and Emergent is really powerful, so I will really recommend you to try it out, because most other platforms like Veo.dev, Replit, Lovable, bolt.new, everyone are really good, but they want constant prompting, like they don't understand your problem, like what you need. You have to wait and watch. You have to give your prompts multiple times, and your data is lost. Like if you are given 10 credits, you will not be able to create your application in those available credits. You have to actually guide it, command it throughout the journey until you get the best thing, production ready application. If you need, you will have to wait a lot, you will have to spend a lot on those applications. But with Emergent, you have to give it one prompt and your application is done. It is production ready. Whatever it takes, you can see it, but it will not bother you about giving a lot of prompting, commanding and all that stuff. It will give you less errors. It will be really satisfactory with the results. So I really liked the application. It is currently 50% off. You can check that out. I will leave a link in the description so you can check from there as well. It really supports our channel if you buy from there. And yeah, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.